Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you have seen the title of this video, I'm gonna try a beautiful turban in this tutorial. And before I start this tutorial, let me tell you guys, for tying this beautiful turban, you guys need 18 meter of fabric for tying, 18 meter of cloth for turban, for tying this kind of turban. And you also need a cap, topi. Okay, I've forgotten that cap somewhere else, so I'm not using cap right now, but you guys need that for tying this. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful turban. Give a big thumbs up. Leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for that. And I'm on my Instagram. You guys can visit my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And my Instagram is coming here maybe. So go to my Insta and I'm waiting for you guys. Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.